What? What are they doing?
Skeezy on the beat, Skeezy drop the beat, ayy.
Alright, man. So, if y'all been following our journey, we took a load from Utah to Florida. Tampa. Alright, so we figured out that in this box truck business, you got a partial. The only way you're gonna make money in this business is to partial. So this week, you know, the first week we focus on, you know, just driving the truck, getting on the road, making some money. This week, we focusing on maximizing our space in the back of our truck, right? So with that being said, we found 2 loads. One that's gonna get us back to Charlotte, North Carolina. I mean, to Chapel Hill, North Carolina. That's gonna get us at least back home.
We can sleep in our own bed.
Yeah. For like 10 seconds.
That part.
Because we gotta get it off. But anyways, we found the load. We found that load, and then now we're in Fort Myers, right? So we're in Fort Myers. This dude, they ain't got it together, man. They ain't got it together. But anyways, we found 2 loads, man. It's gonna take us all the way to New York. Hopefully what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this to New York. We're gonna drop this U-Haul box off in Chapel Hill. Sleep, wake up, find us another load that's gonna take us up farther to add to this one. And just keep doing that until we get to New York. You know what I'm saying? That's what we're gonna try to do. And then
more money, less miles.
More money, less miles. That's what we're trying to do. More money, less miles. Then it's hot. It's hotter than 2 balls rubbing together out here.
Y'all see this?
In Florida. I don't know what she doing. I had to take my junk off. I don't even care what my t-shirt look like. But yeah,
I was not prepared.
Hot. Anyways, so we got our truck on a Monday. So when you get your truck, if you're renting a truck, when you get your truck on the Monday, all right, what's gonna end up happening is your billing cycle is gonna end on that Monday. All right. So on Monday is when we pay our truck. So we got all week to run. We have our money to pay our truck. These people at Ryder done up the rate on us.
She said corporate did it, but it's an extra of $14 a day.
$14. That puts us at 7. How much?
I think it said $713.
That puts us at $713 for a rental. You know I'm in here tripping. I'm in here tripping right now. $700? Come on, B. Really? We ain't gonna give up, but this made me want to just take the truck back and just throw it at them like,
We'll get through it. We'll get through it.
Anyways, first thing I told her was, we got it. We got to buy a truck. So we're trying to see what this financing look like. We done put our application in. We'll give y'all more details about that. But until then, enjoy the ride, guys. We tired. I ain't gonna lie, we tired. We tired as hell.
I'm kind of hoping this other load is like, nah, you can't come pick it up. So we're like, oh no, we gotta go to sleep. Try again tomorrow.
Nah. Look at me, man. I'm sweating. I'm sweating. Yes, I'm on their head about detention pay. I need it. I need it. $200. Give me $200. I need $200 for this detention pay. It's hot out here. It's hot out here. I need my detention bay. And then on top of that, these folks that we ran the load for, they playing with this EFS code now. I got bills. You know what I'm saying? They playing. They're playing. They're playing. You waiting? The least you could do is check your truck out. Make sure your truck is running good. Make sure your tires is good. So what I did was I went around, walked around, checked all my tires, got some of the rocks out. And, yeah. Then I cleaned the back out. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Yeah, you know. Cleaned the back out. Make sure everything was good. Check for any leaks. No leaks, no leaks, no leaks. Look at that. Hot out. Hey, when I be looking at the camera, I be wanting to look at myself, but you gotta look right here. Right there. Yeah, right there. You look right there. See how it makes you look like, yeah.
Cutting off my head.
Oh, my bad. Focus is on me today. This is what it's like to be in the box truck game. Don't let people fool you. It's real out here. I am still wearing Crocs. You already know what it is. You know what I'm saying? I've been wearing Crocs my whole journey. But yeah, this is what it's like, man. It's real out here. This is the guy we've been waiting for. I think he's the owner. Let's see what they're talking about. What are they doing? What are they doing, guys? They should have ordered a flatbed for this. Like, what? Don't worry, I'm gonna take their money. Don't worry, I'm gonna take their money. Get that shit out. That's the question. I don't know how they're gonna get this shit out. Somebody gonna be. They need to pay me.
They call this thing a partial.
That's some idiots. That's some idiots for real.
That's what you get when you try to be cheap.
Y'all see the pine trees, baby? Y'all see the pine trees? So one of our subscribers told us about this button right here. See this button right here? Click that button right there, and it will flash all your lights for you. Watch. So when you're doing your pre-trip, see that? Boom. And it rotates around. Boom. So now you can check your lights just like that. It's that simple. See how they went off? You just push that button and then put them all on rotation. You're gonna wait for them to come back around. Oh, the lights work? Yes, sir. Another thing, guys, when you wake up in the morning, make sure your load, you know what I'm saying, is good. Make sure your load is good. God, that ain't moving. She pretty tight, she heavy too.